Happy December 17th, everyone! This is Toys Unlocked, and we are ready to open our LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. Today we are wrapping presents, which is perfect because we got wrapping paper yesterday. It's like they planned this. Alright, as you can see, I have my wrapping paper station set up in the background so we can ensure that we have an ample supply of bows and scissors and tape while we wrap these two little presents. And look, my nails are color coordinated to the wrapping paper too. I totally did that on purpose. Okay, we have a star on top of this present, and inside we are supposed to put this purple bow. Now, I could put it on, but I kind of want to see what other little treats we can fit into these gift boxes. On our other present, we're going to put this pink flat square in the shape of a diamond. Mine's kind of wonky, but trust me, it's stuck on there. I cannot get it off. And inside we have pink sunglasses, which I do not own yet. So let's see how these look on Emma. This gift actually makes a lot of sense to me because I know that you should wear eye protection when you're out in the snow because the sunlight bouncing off the snow is just as bad for your eyes in the winter. All right, so that would go in there. But as I said, I want to see what other gifts we can wrap. All right, let's start with the cupcake. Messy, but functional. And send some love. That looks cute. I like these two colors together. What about the pretzel? Doesn't fit. Huge bummer. That would have been a fun thing to unwrap. And Clarence is a hair too tall for this particular gift box, which, you obviously should not wrap up animals. That's not okay. So we'll put the sunglasses in here and put the top on, and we'll leave this as one of our gifts. If I can figure out how to put the top on, of course. Apparently, there we go. That looks cute. I don't think I'm ever getting that top off again, unfortunately. Okay, bow in the other one. And I'm having the same issue. This is really tricky. I am not strong enough to put these pieces together, and I'm pretty sure that once I have them together, they are really, truly never coming off again. Good enough. We have one present for Holly and another present for Jolly. I hope they love their presents, and I hope you love building with us today on day 17. Be sure to come by tomorrow to see what's on day 18. Maybe another scene or something to eat or something adorable. All right, friends, until we build again, I'll see you then.